Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, save and set a restore point so you can retry quickly. Move to the zone known to spawn an Alpha Zoroark and approach quietly. Stealth reduces accidental aggro. Make sure your lead is strong and a teammate knows false swipe so you can drop HP without fainting. Equip a status inflictor. Sleep or paralysis increases catch chance dramatically. Stock quick and dusk balls depending on time and terrain so you can capitalize on first turn throws. Once engaged, control the tempo. Land a false swipe to leave the alpha at 1 HP, then immediately apply sleep or paralysis so it's easier to catch. You want to minimize damage risk and prevent flinches. Bring a paw caiman that can tank an initial hit. If alpha uses strong moves, swap to a bulky switch-in and heal. Make your first ball count, quick on turn 1 or dusk in caves, because catch rate drops as it tires and fights back. You finish by throwing the chosen ball while the alpha is asleep or paralyzed. Patience matters, so don't rush risky damage. If it breaks free, reapply status and try again. If it faints, reload your save and repeat the approach. Once caught, immediately check Roman 4 nature and ability to decide hyper-training or breeding steps. Troubleshooting tip. If it repeatedly flees, switch to stealthier approaches, use bait or smoke items, and lower aggression before re-engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.